So today I'm going to show you another crazy platform where you can just make a lot of money with it through academic writing, and the platform is known as Nanditaliz. Okay, I'm going to their website to show you everything about this platform. Yeah, so you can see this is the platform I'm talking about over here, and you can just see there's a lot of things over there. I'm just going briefly to this platform, and you can see they always talk about the pure academic writing. This is about our academic writing. You can see that the previous platform we talked about the freelancer.com, they add a lot of work, and you can see it is available in Kenya. Yes, and there are a lot of work to do over here: creative writing, infographic design, and academic writing, blogging, copywriting, and all those work, all of them are academic writing. So it is very, very important if you just join that list because it's very simple to use. Yeah, you can make a lot of money through this platform over here. All you have to do is just sign up, test, get orders, and then earn more money. This is just the process we are going to go through over here. Yeah, so you can see that you have to sign by this. Signing up to the Nandi is free, but I'm going to do that now. So I'm going to click join as a freelancer. So of course we want to make money, so we are going to join as a freelancer. So over here you see you have to put your names and don't want academic writing experience. If you have any experience, then no problem, you can hand the years of your experience. Okay, yeah. So yeah, let me say I'm James King, and then I'll just put my email over there. Next, and over here you have to put your country where you're from. By the way, you can see this is available in Kenya, of course. And over here I have to put my mobile phone number. So you verify your number to the number you have provided over there, and then click verify. Step number 2, over here you are required to put your subject on the primary side, and on secondary side you just click it. So I will just choose electrical engineering, and secondary side I will select one. Let's see, yeah, let's go to the secondary number 2. Now you can see I'm going to select mechanical engineering. Yes, let me just click mechanical engineering, and we go to the last step over here where you are required to undergo the test. Okay, and the test is between 168 hours. So the questions you just be asked over here, all the questions and answers are over here. Learn Center, this is where you have, if this is your first time to be on this platform on academic writing, make sure that you just go to learn more on this, so that you can just learn everything about academic writing, because the questions you just be asked over there, you have to get 80% of the cut. The cut asks 20 questions, but you have to get 80%. 80% of the questions you have to get them. Yeah, so you have to learn everything about over here. You can spend even one day reading all these things because there are so many, and then you can go and do cut, so that academic writing just requires a lot of things so that you can start making money from them. But you see, if you just give your time to learn everything over here, then this you can just make a lot of money over here. So you can see you have to go through this test. This is the last moment over here, and you can see that you have to click to start, so that you are cut when you are done to read. And if you have some experiences, then you can definitely go direct to the questions. Thank you so much. Subscribe to this channel. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye. I love you guys.